What I love most about being a small business owner is I get to create something new every day, to build something, and instead of working a 9 to 5 where you're working for someone, you're basically your own motivation and it's up to you to create it. So I just love the challenge to build something and build something great and to create something new. Just the flexibility it gives you to work around family and have your own schedule. It's just an incredible thing to not be tied down to an employer. So I just love the flexibility of it. What I love about small businesses is the passion that gets put into them, and what they create is so much better than what you get from a large corporation. Like, small businesses have a much more personal feel. Sky Candy Studios is a drone specialty company, so we focus on high-end drone imagery. Our goal is to put the best possible cameras in the sky to give you the best possible video footage. We focus on just high-end, beautiful drone video. People can support small businesses in their community by just focusing on where they buy things. The best way people can support Sky Candy Studios is to like our stuff on social media, to share it and showcase the work that we've done. And we put a lot of time and effort into our work, and we'd love to put it out to the world. So if you can just share it and like it, that would be awesome. I'm passionate about this job because we get to offer people just beautiful video that we weren't able to capture 5 years ago. Drones weren't able to do what they can do today. So we get to really get people excited about what we create and just create something beautiful for them. I'm Mike Welsh from Sky Candy Studios, and thank you for supporting small business.